Ludix, a rising Japanese tuner, is gaining major attention for turning everyday Volkswagens into rugged, adventure-ready machines that seem to bite back. While Japan is known for creative automotive culture, Ludix stands out by reshaping the VW New Beetle, Beetle, and Golf into lifted, trail-capable builds inspired by Baja racing and JDM custom style. These aren't factory special editions. They're bold, imaginative conversions created for people who want cars that can handle work, play, and everything in between. The transformation begins with the Volkswagen New Beetle. Ludix takes the retro compact and morphs it into an off-road explorer. A major suspension lift, wrapped steel wheels with Toyo Open Country all-terrain tires, and a rugged matte wrap radically change the car's character. Up front, a custom bull bar adds protection and attitude, while bolt-on fender extensions push the off-road look even further. On the roof, a rack fitted with LEDs and a spare tire brings legitimate utility for outdoor trips. Out back, another rack holds luggage or additional gear. Even with all these changes, the car keeps its stock 2.0-liter TSI engine, reliable, simple, and ready for the journey. Ludix also works its magic on the last-generation Beetle. This version nods to Volkswagen's own Beetle Dune trim, but pushes the idea toward a more adventurous theme. Steel wheels, all-terrain rubber, fender flares, a roof rack, and a two-tone wrap give the car a brave, outdoorsy stance. The suspension lift is milder compared to the earlier New Beetle build, but the overall result still delivers a confident, lifted posture suited for dirt roads or light trails. The most surprising transformation might be the Golf 7 conversion. While Volkswagen once offered the Golf all-track in wagon form, Ludix creates something far more aggressive, almost like a modern interpretation of the rare 90s Golf Country. The package includes a suspension lift that raises ground clearance by around 70 millimeters, making the Golf taller than a Tiguan crossover. Black steel wheels wrapped in chunky all-terrain tires complete the foundation. Details matter, and Ludix pays attention. The bumpers receive a textured coating that looks like unpainted plastic, but the purpose is durability, resisting stone chips and scratches. Owners can choose custom wraps, decals, roof racks, and auxiliary LED lighting to match the adventurous look. Even more interesting, the base model used for this conversion is a Golf Comfort Line Blue Motion with a 1.2-liter TSI engine and front-wheel drive. Despite that, the parts are likely compatible with more powerful Golf versions, including 2.0 TDI and 4Motion AWD models, giving owners plenty of freedom. Ludix offers its upgrades in various formats: fully built vehicles ready to go, conversion kits, or individual components for DIY projects. Pricing depends on the model and the level of customization. For the Golf 7 GNC package, customers can expect to pay between 550,000 and 900,000 yen, roughly $3,500 to $5,700. The New Beetle upgrades are more extensive and can reach up to 1.7 million yen, or about $10,800. A quick look at the tuner's social media shows even more experimental builds, including a lifted Polo Mark IV that looks ready to take on forest trails. With creativity, practicality, and a flair for adventurous design, Ludix is carving out a unique space in Japan's tuning scene. By reimagining these quirky Volkswagens as capable off-roaders, they're catching global attention and inspiring a new wave of compact car adventure builds. As interest grows, Ludix plans to expand its lineup to include conversions for Mercedes, Porsche, and Audi platforms, opening the door to even more wild, trail-ready transformations in the future.